Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very sportive and very kind with me. Please be support me like this forever. And secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending design of handmade crochet summer blouses and summer top ideas. It's very cool and trending design especially for summer. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So we will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of handmade crochet top. It's very trendy and latest ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular design. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video, you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet top ideas. It's very trending and cool collection. So we will pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and outclass looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing, very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So you can see viewers, I am providing you the most trending design of handmade crochet top, and now I am share with you the benefits of crochet top. So viewer, these are the benefits of crochet top. I really hope that these are very helpful for beginners and especially for those people who apply these dresses first time. So crochet top are very breathable and very decent collection, and you can feel comfort very in these dresses. Crochet top are perfect for summer weather as they allow for airflow and keep you cool. Crochet fabric is soft and gentle on the skin, making it ideal for everyday wear. Crochet top can be dressed up and down and paired with various bottoms from shorts to skirts. Each crochet top is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece. Crochet top are an eco-friendly alternative to fast fashion, reducing waste and supporting slow fashion. You can choose the yarn, color and design your favorite to fit your personal style and preference. Crochet top often have a relaxed fit, making them perfect for casual wears. Most crochet top are machine washable and dry quickly, making maintenance a breeze. Crochet top are a stylish addition to any wardrobe, adding a touch of handmade charm. Wearing a crochet top can make you feel confident and proud to sport handmade craftsmanship. Overall, crochet top offer a perfect blend for comfort, for style and sustainability. So this is the main question, especially for beginners. What is the crochet? Crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items, from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with veterans tips and inspirations for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience. So you know very well, crochet is a popular needlework and it's a popular handicraft that involves using hook and yarn to create fabric, and it's a great hobby for those who enjoy making the things with their hands, and it can be very relaxing. So if you are looking for crochet resources, I can provide step by step crochet tutorials, instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques. I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects, from scarves and to blankets and afghans and toys. Tips and tricks. I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. So my sweet viewer, what would you like to know to make or make? Let me know and I will do my best to assist you. I hope you all are understand what is the crochet, and the main part of crochet is crochet meaning is in French hook, and the first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing accessories and home decoration. The common crochet hook material are aluminium, steel, and wood. And crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide, and millions of people love these articles. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So we were happy crocheting. So my lovely friends, if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers.